Understanding economic principles, scarcity and supply and demand for dummies. Ever wonder why you can't have everything you want? Or why do prices go up for some things but down for others? Welcome to the fascinating world of economics, where two key principles, scarcity and supply and demand, play major roles in your daily life. Let's break it down, for dummies style. Scarcity, why you can't always get what you want. Imagine walking into an all-you-can-eat buffet. There's a ton of food, but you can't possibly eat everything. This is a perfect example of scarcity in action. Not. Scarcity means that resources are limited. There's only so much of everything, whether it's food, water, or even time. Human wants, on the other hand, are pretty much endless. We all want more money, more time, more stuff, but we have to make choices because of scarcity. These choices involve trade-offs, which means picking one thing over another. How scarcity affects you. Budgeting time and money. You can't spend time on every hobby or buy everything you like. You have to choose. Career choices. Your dream job might not be available in your hometown, so you may have to decide between moving and choosing another career. Everyday decisions. Even deciding between pizza or salad for dinner results from scarcity. You can't have both, or at least, you probably shouldn't. The key takeaway. Scarcity forces us to prioritize. It's why we have to make decisions, big and small, every day. Supply and demand, the dance of prices. Have you ever noticed how the price of a product changes depending on how popular it is? That's supply and demand at work. Supply and demand is a basic economic principle that explains how prices are set in a market. It's all about the relationship between the supply of a product, how much of it is available, and the demand for that product, how much people want it. How supply and demand works. High demand plus low supply equals high prices. If everyone wants the latest smartphone but only a few are available, prices skyrocket. Low demand plus high supply equals low prices. If nobody wants last season's fashion, stores drop prices to clear out stock. Equilibrium. Sometimes, supply and demand balance out perfectly, meaning prices stay stable. Real-life examples. Concert tickets. If a famous band is playing in town, tickets might sell out fast, and resellers can charge sky-high prices. Seasonal products. Think about how swimsuits are cheaper in winter and more expensive in summer. That's supply and demand based on the season. The magic of supply and demand is that it self-regulates. When prices are too high, demand drops, leading to lower prices. When prices are too low, demand spikes, causing prices to rise. It's like an invisible hand guiding the market. Wrapping it up, why these principles matter. So, why should you care about scarcity and supply and demand? Because they're constantly influencing your life. Whether you're deciding how to spend your weekend or why that avocado toast is suddenly more expensive, these principles are at play. Understanding scarcity helps you make better decisions by recognizing the trade-offs you're making. And grasping supply and demand gives you insight into why prices fluctuate, helping you become a smarter consumer. Next time you're faced with a choice, remember these principles. They might just make life a little less puzzling. To stay connected, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep reaching for the sky.